I'm glad to be here with you all today. First of all, I would express my gratitude to IPTA team for giving us platform to share knowledge across paper industry. Before I introduce you with my topic, so let me ask you something. So how many of you want to have a microbial-free and odor-free paper? And how many of you want to reduce the breaks which are occurring due to slime in your paper? Well, I'm sure everybody wants to have the same thing. So the solution is here. You have not given me this pointer. Okay. So the new MCI generator, which is the next level of control for a safer and smarter monochloramine program. Microbial control program with good housekeeping practices are very crucial for maintaining plant efficiency in this today's competitive market. There has been several advancements in microbial control program over the years, but in our opinion, the significant impact has been made by MCA-based chemistry. This chemistry is being used in pulp and paper industry in last 2 decades. So this is the reality we face today. Especially the mills who are using recycle-based fiber, they are facing a lot of challenges. They have to reduce the water uses in paper industry. They have to continuously deal with the contamination coming with the recycled fiber. And they have to reduce the load of BOD and COD in the ETP plant. So this end up like introducing more chemical in ETP plant and paper machine processes, which is creating a lot of variation in paper properties. And you may have to go for unplanned shutdowns, which is eventually increasing the cost of your chemical. So to overcome all these problems, we have developed this new generator, which is giving you a better chemistry of this monochloramine biocide. So it helps you to reduce your overall cost of your biocide chemical by 15% or more than that. It lowers your contamination level from your plant more than 30%. And it reduces the breaks in your paper machine, which are occurring due to the slime, and it gives you the world-class safety standard. This new MCI generator combines chemical digital solution, integrating artificial intelligence to offer you actionable insights. And it helps stabilizes your wet end processes for better machine performance and eventually reducing the cost of your chemical. So let me introduce this, how we are making this chemistry on site. It is very important how we are ensuring to give you a good chemistry and for getting a good result. So this monochloramine is made on site by using industrial grade hypochlorite solution with monochloramine precursor in water at a specific molar ratio and pH. Depending on the pH and ratio, there can be other species which may form, which is dichloramine and trichloramine. Because this monochloramine has several advantages over the oxidizing biocide are being used in paper industry, like chlorine dioxide, hypochlorous acid, hypobromous acid. Since it's a combined chlorine and it considered as a weaker oxidizer, So it has a better efficiency for controlling the microbial growth. So it does not interact with your wet-end chemistries like OBS, dyes, retention program, and sizing. It has a great penetration skill. It can stop starch degradation, and it can also stop the formation of VFA, which is the major issue in recycled grade fiber in this market. And it also form very less absorbable organic halides and trihalomethanes in your ETP. So due to these several advantages, that's why it has become one of the major chemistry in pulp and paper industry. So this new MCI generator combines best-in-class MCA chemistry with state-of-art sensing technology, cloud-based data analytics, 24/7 monitoring and analysis, and accurate predictive modeling for controlling microbial control program. So this new MCI generator can take feedback from multiple sensors and from your mill process as well. It automatically adjusts the biocide flow rate, and it minimizes the overflow and underfeeding of your chemical. And the features we have in old generator, such as leak detection technology and separate chemical pumps and emergency flushing for all the application. It has additional feature we have included, which is our proprietary technology, which is patented thermal technology, which protects this from formation of exothermic reactions. So let's now discuss about the performance and impact this generator has given us. I'm going to share the trial we have conducted in North America paper mill. This trial was conducted in 3 phases. So the first phase, we compare old generator with new MCI generator by maintaining the same mill KPIs. And we did not change any dosing point and dosing strategies. So with the performance with headbox monochloramine residue, we have achieved 12% reduction in chemical flow. And at the same time, we have achieved the same microbial contamination as we were getting in old generator. You can see the results here. So this shows the efficiency of this new generator. And in phase 2 trial, we utilized 2 of the main key feature of this new generator. One is automatic ratio control, and another one is PID flow control valve. By utilizing these 2 new features, we have further reduced the doses of biocide chemical by 20%. And at the same time, we also reduced the variation by 75% in water booster pump, which is saving you the water. So you can see how efficient this technology is. And in phase 3 trial, the goal was phase 3 trial was to stabilize the KPIs for this program by using an advanced control mode. So here, we have reduced the variation by 33% in headbox residue, and at the same time, we have reduced the variation in ATP by 66%. The results are, you can see, quite impressive. So we can say that how significant results we have got by using this new MCI generator. So now let's talk about how this generator is enriched with data and actionable insight. So in paper and industries, we have lots of conventional sensor and we are getting lots of data. But Without any insight, there is no use. So this generator has power to give you all the insight in real time. So it can track your KPIs, and it will give you the real status of your system against your KPIs. It will detect if there is any grade change and water usage. And it will also tell you whether you have to take the action now or 1 week later or 15 days later. So this new MCI generator makes it very easy for the customer to give you all the things in one dashboard. You will see the process view, and you can also see the real-time alarms and if there is any notification coming. And it will deliver this all thing to you in your laptop and your mobile devices. We have an expert monitoring team, 24/7 monitoring this new generator. And these chemical engineers are closely working with data scientists to eliminate the false alarms if there is any. And if suppose you have changed any grade, like you have changed from 60 GSM to 90 GSM, so this without getting any delay, and before you get any breaks in your paper machine, this system will tell you you have to change the dosing, and it will automatically change your biocide dosing accordingly. So let's talk about the safety now. As we have always prioritizes safety over everything else. In one hand, everybody is looking for better product, better performance of machine. At the same time, everyone is interested in safety at the mill. So there are some few unmatched feed system safety features we have introduced. So we have a leak detection technology in this generator. If there is any line break happening, we have inbuilt separator to keep chemicals apart. And if there is any power shortage, we have automatic flushing for all the application line, and there will be regular inspection by the team to maintain the efficient and safe operation at site, and the unit will be monitored remotely by 24/7. So before I conclude this presentation, let me share these early customer reviews with you from large multinational tissue corporations and large multinational paper corporations. So by adopting new processes into your system, we can create a new and safer and sustainable environment for pulp and paper industries. Thank you very much. Thank you for being present and giving me your time for these 15 minutes.